Hey, this is Mike Singer and Jackie Seppi from Seppi Fitness, and today we're going to talk about how to tighten your glutes. Okay, so for beginners, we're going to start with beginners, and the first thing you're going to do, Jackie, is bring your heels together and flex your toes and slowly elevate your hips, squeezing your glutes and your hamstrings, abs engaged, good breathing. And slowly peel it up and return. Now your goal is going to be to do 10 to 15 reps of these. This is a beginner movement, something you can do at home. Where are you feeling that, Jackie?
Right in my glutes and hamstrings.
Right in the glutes. And now let's bump it up to something for a little bit more intermediate advanced. Let's press that same movement, Jackie, off of one leg. So straighten your right leg up in the air. Keep your left foot flexed, pushing off the heel. Focus on the glutes. Good breathing, abs engaged. Again, that pressing off the heel, really focus in on the glutes and the hamstrings. You can see her toe is flexed. All right, let's bump it up to a little bit more advanced. Let's throw a ball in there. So think of the same exact movement. Now your feet are on the ball. Ready, Jackie? Let's see a toes flexed and elevate the hips. Keep the abs engaged. Now you've got the instability of the ball. Very good. Good breathing. Good. And let's bump it up one more level. Let's raise your right leg or left leg up and press. Good. That'll fry those glutes right there. These are all exercises that can be done at home and will help tighten your glutes. Thank you, Jackie.
Thank you.